Did you know there's one hiding Safari settings on your iPhone that can significantly improve your privacy while browsing the web? Most people think using private browsing or even a VPN is enough, but many websites can still collect information about your device using something called browser fingerprinting. In this video, I'll show you the exact setting you should enable, explain what it does, and why every iPhone user should turn it on. Hey guys, welcome to Phone Transformer. First, open the setting apps on your iPhone and now scroll down and tap apps. Next, find open Safari, scroll all the way down and tap advanced. You'll see advanced tracking and fingerprinting protection. Tap on it. If it's currently set to private browsing, change it to all browsing. That's it, your iPhone is now better protected while browsing in Safari. But why is this setting so important? Many websites don't just use cookie to track you. Instead, they collect small pieces of information about your device, like your screen resolution, iPhone model, iOS version, browser features, graphics information, language settings, and several other technical details. By these details don't seem like a big deal, but when websites combine all of them together, they can create a unique digital fingerprint of your device. That fingerprint make it much easier to recognize your iPhone, follow your activity across different websites, and build a profile about your browsing habits, even without asking for our permission. When you close all browsing, Safari automatically limits the amount of information website can access. It also reduces the accuracy of certain device detail, make it much harder for website to identify your iPhone or track you across the internet. This means you get a stronger privacy not only in private browsing but during your everyday browsing as well. There are no downside for much user, so it's a simple setting that's definitely worth enabling. If you're checking these settings and it was still on private browsing, make sure you switch it to all browsing right now. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.